New Year, everyone.
It is January 1st, and we are here at Summerland to play some mini golf.
Yeah, so we just got the water parks and mini golf stuff for Disney for our renewal. So we are able to check out the new to us mini golf places and play them. So we decided to bring in the new year with some mini golf. So we'll check it out together. You've been here before, but I haven't. So this is gonna be my first time doing this specific mini golf place. So let's go. So there was a little bit of a wait for mini golf, so we decided to walk right next door to Blizzard Beach because today is the last day before it closes for refurbishment, and Typhoon Lagoon reopens tomorrow. So we wanted to at least walk in, check it out, because have you ever been?
I don't think so. I think I've only done Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah, I've never done Blizzard Beach, so it's really cool in there.
Yeah.
So.
Really cool.
Once it reopens, we're for sure gonna go in and check it out more. But it's getting close to our time to go mini golfing, so we're heading back and gonna knock that out. Alright, 9-hole update. So par for 9 holes is 31. Melissa is currently shooting a 23, and I am currently shooting a 26. So she's up by 3 strokes. We got the back 9 to go for. But so far it's been a lot of fun. That giant sandcastle one was really cool. Neither of us made it across the drawbridge. So
Yeah, this course is it's really cute. It's like Christmassy, but with a summertime twist.
Yeah, so let's go, back 9. And we go at hole 10 and the big goof. Oh, and Donald's there too. Here we go. I'm loving all of these puns with all the holes. Get a little elf control. The buried elves these times instead of the buried Sandy Claus. By the way, we're all tied up now after the last 2 holes, so we're going shot for shot. So I should have taken a video, but little miss over here decided to get a hole-in-one on this one, so let's see if I can keep it tied or if she's gonna be ahead again. Alright, so I didn't get a hole-in-one, so I'm down 1, but here we go, we're almost done. Alright, we got the loop-de-loop. Ooh, nice shot. And yep, we're all tied up again. Alright, still tied up, down to the last 4 holes, and we got the Ferris wheel hole now. Your boy got a hole-in-one on the last one, so I'm up by 3 strokes now. And we're 2 away, so this one's super cool. I'm excited for this one. So now we got the last hole, Santa on the winter net. Go ahead. Alright, so we got done. And we got the grand totals now. So par for the course is 56. Melissa shot a 45, which is 11 under par, which is like Tiger Woods level of golfing. So she's a very good golfer. I, on the other hand, shot a 43.
I blew it at the end.
Yeah, it was the windmill that messed her up. It got her, and then it got stuck again. And so she got a 4 on that one. And then I got real lucky and got right through it and got a hole-in-one on that one. So, and at that point, there was only 2 other holes.
Yeah, I couldn't catch up.
And hole 18 was just like an automatic hole-in-one. So it was basically up to the next hole. And I got a 3, she got a 2, so it just wasn't enough. But
yeah,
I won this one, but we're definitely going to be coming back here again.
We
because
want to play the other side.
Yeah, we played the summer side, and so we want to play the winter side next time. But that's going to be for another day, and then we'll also check out the Fantasia one as well, because that one, we've done that one before, but that one's a lot of fun also. But yeah, so here's the full breakdown of how we shot and the head-to-head. And now we're back in Blizzard Beach just to kind of hang out and I think maybe grab a drink, just relax. We got nothing else to do for the rest of the day, so yeah, we'll take you along. All right, so check out these chalk drawings on the sidewalk here. This is incredible. We saw one in the very beginning, but this is so cool and really detailed too. Look at that. So I got myself a grapefruit margarita, which looks really good and really refreshing since it is in the 80s on January 1st, which I'm still not used to. And then just a couple of waters, but we're just gonna relax. We're right by the wave pool and it is gorgeous out. So we're just gonna hang out for a little bit. So we wanted a little bit of a snack, so we got kids chicken tenders, and it came with this bucket and pail, the pail and shovel kind of thing, and it's awesome and fantastic, and love every second of it.
We just got done at Blizzard Beach. We had a really, really great time.
Yeah, we just kind of hung out, got a group drink, Melissa got some chicken tenders, and we just hung out by the wave pool and relaxed. and started getting sunburnt, so we're going home now. But yeah, it was a very fun day. We just went to play some mini golf and ended up going to a water park to just hang out. So thank you guys for coming along with us for our mini golf adventure. And if you like it, let us know. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment. Let us know. Have you ever been down here? What's your favorite mini golf places? Stuff like that. And we will see you guys next week.
Bye.